I'll be showing you how to open YouTube Studio Desktop on mobile like this. So now let me walk you guys through the procedure on doing this. So now let's come back here. Good. Let's hop on to our home, a new tab, and now let's start with the procedure. Good. So now let's open a new tab here. Yeah. So let's say you just launched your Chrome and you want to open YouTube Studio Desktop on your mobile phone. What you need to do is just search YouTube Studio, something like that. So let me use the first search here. Good. And now this is what you need to do. First, switch your Google account to the account you are going to use to log in. You can see the arrow on your screen there. Tap there and switch it. And then after that, what you need to do is tap on the three dots at the top there. You can see the arrow there, and then you turn on this desktop site. You can see the arrow on your screen. Turn on that too as well. After that, what you need to do is hop on your URL like this, and then you enter this studio. Good. Studio.youtube.com, something like that. Definitely you'd have YouTube Studio on your mobile phone as a downloaded app, and also YouTube there. So they are going to verify that before this is going to open. So now let's search that here. Good. And if you don't have this verified, firstly, it's going to redirect and open YouTube Studio app, and later redirect you back to your Chrome, and then it should open. So you can see this is it. And so here what you need to take note is your studio.youtube.com, and if they verify from your YouTube Studio app on your mobile phone, they will just redirect you to your channel studio, and yeah, that's it. Always make sure you turn on the desktop mode, simple and easy. So that's it on how you open YouTube Studio for desktop on mobile. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.